All right, guys, let's kick off 2019 the right way. Welcome to Platinum Affiliates. Let's go ahead and talk about the best ways to start affiliate marketing for free in 2019. So, thanks again for joining us, and we're going to go ahead and give you guys the best ways that we can start our affiliate marketing for free in 2019. 2018 was real good, but we want to do much, much better in 2019. So as we begin, let's go ahead and look at our first subject is building your platform. So if you want to be able to learn how to market, do online marketing in 2019, the first thing you're going to have to do is you got to come up with a platform to be able to put your content and be able to engage with people. And so that's the first thing we need to do is we need to establish a platform. So how are we going to do that? So the first thing we need to do is we need to sign up for a YouTube account. YouTube is by far one of Google's top search engines, and millions and millions of people come every day to look at and to try to gain some insight, or they have questions, they type it in YouTube, and that's where they get their answers. So if you want to start your affiliate marketing for free, your platform, you're going to have to use YouTube as a platform because it's the most effective resource that we have today to be able to promote our content, promote products, and so forth. So step two is you want to be able to link other free platforms, Facebook, Instagram, your Pinterest accounts, Twitter. All of these accounts can be linked, or at least you can put them in the description of your videos as you upload content to YouTube. And this will give your followers, the people who view your content, this will give them other platforms to follow you on. So you want to sign up for your YouTube account, start producing some videos and some reviews and so forth. And the next thing is you want to link those to your Facebook and Instagram and all your other social media accounts. All of these are free to join, free to start up with. And these are very effective marketing platforms that we can use. So after you get these social media accounts set up, the next thing you want to do is, like I mentioned just before, you want to be able to provide or produce some valuable content. Because when people go to YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, they're looking for things that interest them. They're looking for particular ideas, pictures, videos that will give them the answers to the questions that they're asking in their minds. And so you have to be able to provide and produce some valuable content to be able to place on these platforms. Video, YouTube is for videos. Facebook, you can use videos and what they call post. And you can also use Instagram. Instagram has a video and a post aspect as well. So you want to produce valuable content that's going to keep your readers and the people who are following you engaged, and you want to be able to give them things or content information that will help them in their pursuit for for whatever they're doing in affiliate marketing, we'll say. The next thing you want to do is you want to be able to build trust with people. So as you produce this content, there's options for people to ask questions that you might not have addressed, and you want to engage with these people as much as you can. You want to be able to let the people know that you're there to help them, and that you have the knowledge to be able to help and guide them in the way, and then they'll visit you more often, and then the trust will be built with your followers. And then the final thing you want to do is you want to after you build that trust, you can suggest different tools and different resources that you have affiliate accounts with, and be able to promote these products to them. This is where you'll have the opportunity to earn money. And this is the best way to start affiliate marketing for free in 2019. So you want to sign up for your free platforms, YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, and plus the other available free platforms. Next, after that, you want to be able to provide or produce valuable content for people to engage with. And as a result of that content, you're going to have an opportunity to engage with people, ask questions, and be able to give answers. And then as the opportunity presents itself, you can offer your affiliate products to people to help them get started, or to help them with whatever questions or whatever things that they are researching and have need of. So these are the best ways to start affiliate marketing for free in 2019. And we want you to be able to build your platform and be productive, be an influencer, and also be able to earn some income through helping people. So that's all we have for today at Platinum Affiliates. We want to remind you, if you like our video, to subscribe to it and hit the bell notification, and we'll notify you of our upcoming our content releases. So thanks again for joining us, and you guys have a good one.